We are here at the grocery store to pick up some stuff that I need for today's video. We have some stuff, but there's some stuff my mom sent me to come get. We need 2 carrots. I just got the 2 white potatoes.
No,
white potatoes.
Those aren't white potatoes.
Found them. Wait, 2? This little? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 2 onions. So 2 carrots. These are pretty ginormous. We have 3 pounds of ground beef, 2 onions, 3 carrots, 2 white potatoes. Well, we got a few white potatoes because they're small. We have the oregano at home and the tomatoes. I think that's it. Hi guys, welcome back to my Red Touches Food. I am here with my mom, Amparo, again. Oh my god. Today, she's gonna teach me how to make albondigas. Es muy fácil, ¿verdad? Sí. We have everything here that we need. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get cooking. Okay guys, we're gonna need 2 tomatoes, 1 onion, 4 white potatoes, 2 carrots, oregano, and hierbabuena, 3 eggs, 3 pounds of ground beef, and some tapatio, and 2 cups of rice. Oh, and obviously we're gonna need some consomme. She has this big old tub because she does do catering, so she uses this instead, obviously, because I feel like a small one would run out like so quick. ¿Qué es lo primero que tenemos que hacer?
Pusiste una ramita de orégano ahí y una ramita de hierbabuena.
So the water is boiling and we put what she said. Okay, we're gonna take 1 spoon of this. Woo.
Luego vas a picar papas.
We're gonna basically boil up all the vegetables. We did already actually rinse everything out. Make sure y'all do that, especially the leaves.
Así nada más las vas a hacer con pequeños cuadritos.
Okay, we're gonna cut the potatoes in little squares. That actually sounds kind of easy. I actually have never made albondigas either. I really honestly haven't made any Mexican dish. I've always helped my mom. Not always. She's like, liar. I'll sometimes help my mom make food, but to be honest, I just never really take notes and write things down. And this is what I like about these videos, because I get to watch them again in case I forget. And for the last one, I put the ingredients in the description box. So that's basically what I'm gonna do in this video as well.
No las vas a hacer muy chiquitas.
I was cutting them up to like this size. She's doing them like this.
No importa mucho tanto el tamaño, pero que queden igual todas para que se cosan parejas.
Wow, this is actually not that hard. And then we're gonna obviously boil it up. Honestly, the best way I could describe it is meatballs, but obviously not your traditional American meatballs. I can't believe I'm gonna cook and then I could cook for you when we move out, and then you don't have to ever starve.
No. Oh my goodness.
We're gonna now cut the carrots. Bien delgadito.
No tanto. Así se ve.
I like carrots. Carrots is that one vegetable I actually really do like. Matching my nails. ¿Y eso sirve cuánta gente?
Unos 10 personas.
Y para una pareja normal, así 2 personas, ¿cuántas se necesita?
Pues 2 personas pueden venir con una libra.
Y carrots como la mitad de uno, okay. ¿Están bien?
Sí. Para que no te pase lo mismo que brinque ahí, agárrala con tu mano y ponle como patitas así. Así. Abajo, patitas abajo. Abajo.
¿Abajo? ¿Meto toda la mano adentro o qué?
Es que las tiras.
I look hilarious. The city.
¿Y ya vas a picar la cebolla y todo eso?
Sí. So last time, she kind of taught me how to cut the... Oh, I know. No toco la esquina. She kind of taught me how to cut the onion last time. I actually learned to not really touch the end so much. That way it doesn't move like crazy. That way you're able to cut it more without it literally moving around like the end is happening right here. I feel like I've definitely gotten better just that one day. Like I've learned a lot. ¿Qué es el plato más difícil de hacer?
¿Más complicado? Creo que el mole.
El mole es el más complicado? And I was telling my mom, like, we need to make mole. She's like, are you sure?
Tienes que agarrar chiles asados así como en aceite.
Oh, shoot, I didn't know that.
Muchas cositas.
Looks like I'm never gonna learn. That's actually gonna be, I think, mixed in with the albondigas. Yeah, I've helped her kind of like mold the albondigas before, the meatballs. You're gonna need the onions, tomatoes, I think the egg too. This we're gonna put here.
Pues agarra los tomillos.
Oh, todavía no acabo con este.
A ver, vamos a poner la carne para ver qué tanto damos.
Okay, we're gonna open up the meatballs. What am I saying? We're gonna open up the ground beef just to see if it's enough, because we don't know if we're gonna need 1 or 2 onions.
¿Qué carne agarramos?
Tres libras. Okay, so we poured the 3 pounds in here. This is when you're gonna get down and dirty. And I'm also already pouring the 2 cups of, oh, I actually thought maybe you cook the rice first, but you use it raw up in the meat. So the albondigas is actually one of the easiest meals to make. The caldo's ready for us to pour everything in, but since I'm a little slower and I'm learning, everything's burning. It's actually late, y'all. We've been working, filming, and it's like about 9. My mom goes to sleep early, so she's a little tired. Okay. Ooh, this knife is strong. Yeah, I actually like cutting tomatoes. Oh my god, y'all, I don't know if you know this, but I hate tomatoes, but on food, it's fine.
Como que haga nomás con el filo así. Así como que, para que no se te haga aguadito.
Alright. Pour it up, pour it up. ¿Y si te has cortado tú, verdad?
Sí.
Haciendo esto.
Sí. Toda la gente que cocina se corta alguna vez.
¿Te has cortado feo?
No.
I had a really funny dream the other day. I was on about my day and I realized it was Christmas. I was so upset that I didn't get excited of the idea of Christmas coming soon and not getting ready. I had no makeup, I was busted. Does anybody else dream that? I also have dreams that it's Halloween or like the day will pass and I don't realize it's Halloween and I'm so upset that I didn't celebrate the holiday. That is weird, right? Do y'all dream that stuff? But I'm gonna pour this in here now. Hopefully I cut it right. And that's oregano and se me olvida el otro nombre. Hierba buena. I look crazy, you guys. I feel like my face is falling off. We were trying to touch up and blot ourselves a little bit, but it's just not working out right now. The only vegetables in here is the rama and the carrots and potatoes that obviously needs to, you know, boil up. And my mom just chopped this all up. She clearly didn't trust me. And we're gonna pour this in here. Now we have all of this mixed in, and I think we're gonna go in. Vamos a meter las manos. Oh, we're gonna throw the eggs in there, which is crazy. I forgot there was eggs in there. But we're gonna use 3 eggs. Oh, that one was good. And then we're gonna put another spoon. Look at that. This looks already so delicious. Dos? Pero ¿y si está salado? Let's actually, no, we'll do like 1.5. All right, guys, we have everything in here. We're about to just go in. Ah, this is crazy. Oh, yeah, los huevos y todo. This was weird. There's freaking raw egg up in here. My favorite part is actually molding it into little meatballs. I smell like all the flavors too, which is kind of cool. Make sure y'all hands are washed. I made sure to do that. ¿Y no puedes usar como una máquina? Oh my god, it's kind of cold. Está frío. Yeah, my hands are honestly about to get a frostbite right now. Smells good already though. So there's people that actually put potatoes, carrots in here, but she just puts it on the side, kind of like a soup. This is literally a soup of meatballs. That's what it is. ¿Cómo ves? This is a fun part. We're gonna make them into meatballs. I actually used to love doing this. I love doing them really big. Pero no tan grandes, ¿verdad? ¿Así? Así. Oh yeah, with the rice, they are gonna puff up. Keep that in mind, guys. No will act like she didn't just tell me.
Se esponja bastante.
Okay, rub your little hands so it could really turn Why am I struggling? Okay, I'm gonna wash my hands. These are not coming out like balls to me. ¿Y cuánto va a durar esto en agua? That's way better.
No, tarda un poco. Unos 45 minutos. No se cose tan rápido.
Okay, there is my first meatball. Yeah, it's gonna take about 45 minutes for it to boil up. Meanwhile, y'all could do your thing, go shower, do what y'all have to do. My mom was like thriving when I posted the other video. And then she'd be like, we need to cook this next, we need to do that. Like, she's so excited. And actually, my mom and my dad want to start their own channel. We actually filmed their first video. They made like breakfast. And it was really cute actually, but I haven't been able to edit that for her yet. If y'all have recommendations on what you guys want their channel name to be, let us know. I was thinking like Amparo y Jose, that's it. My dad's like so excited too. My dad's always wanted to start a YouTube channel. ¿Te gusta cocinar todos los días o no todos los días?
Me gusta cocinar, pero pues casi no se come la comida, por eso no cocino casi.
I'm screaming. All right, we're almost done making the meatballs. There's only a few little what? Meatballs left.
I noticed your mom's, and then I noticed yours. ¿Cómo era ese?
You're up, shut up. Who doesn't want a big ass meatball?
No, cuando tengan más hambre, una grande, y cuando tengan poquita hambre, una chiquita.
Yeah. I don't know about you guys, but when my mom makes these, I dead ass sometimes just want to grab the whole meatball when it's done, like, and put it all in my mouth. It's so delicious. And a lot of the times, most of the time, you eat it with caldo. But if I could just eat the meatballs without caldo just like that, I will do it, and it is the best.
Okay.
All right, we're gonna pour the meatballs in. Oh my god, las mías son bien desbaratas.
Okay, pones así, de una en una. No la avientas porque te quemas. Así.
All right. Yay! Oh my god, it's happening. The water is legit boiling. This is so exciting. I can't believe it's really happening. See? Oh my god. If y'all get a thick one in your plate, just know it's mine. ¿Y no hay que las haces bien grandes?
Sí.
Oh my god, this bitch is huge.
Pero estas,
This
como
is me.
tú sabes que el arroz se hace, se van a hacer grandotas.
Oh my god.
Se hacen grandotas.
That's what I want. They're gonna expand more because of the rice. Oh, this is like gonna overflow, I think. Okay, so she said for sure some are gonna rip apart a little bit. I was just asking her, I'm like, why don't you make your own salsa? She said she used to do it before. I don't know if she got lazy, but she's saying it actually tastes really good with tapatio. So there's about this much. I'm gonna put half of that. So this is actually good for me because I wouldn't want to really make the salsa. Oh my god, they're like already basically cooking. Look at that. Oh, that looks amazing. You guys, literally, like, this is shocking. Okay, we're gonna lower it just a little bit. Still kind of on medium heat, not so low. We're gonna leave it for 45 minutes and we'll be back. Yay! Okay guys, it has been 45 minutes and I think we're ready to now taste it. Okay, we're grabbing a meatball and we're gonna literally cut it in half. So excited. ¿El caldo también se puede ver? Oh, you guys don't know this, but my mom added another spoon of consomme in there because it was like a little desabrido. Okay.
Buena.
Burning my tongue. ¿Sí sabe buena?
Yeah.
I think it's good. Oh my god. ¿Ya lo servimos?
Sí.
I'm so excited. I'm gonna pour myself a plate. ¿Cuántas bolas agarras?
I'm gonna comer.
I'm gonna grab a few. A mí me gusta más la carne así sin el caldo. Voy a dar 5 bolas. Para mí no es mucho. Voy a dar más. ¿Y tú? Nomás una.
Una.
Es todo. Así nomás.
Sí, para mí está bien. Pues ya esta noche, Mayra.
Sí, pero ellos no saben eso. They don't know it's 2 in the morning. I'm just kidding. It's literally like freaking 10. Okay, vamos a probarlo.
Okay.
Otra vez. Esta vez vamos a hacer cheers. Cheers es como salud así.
Bueno.
trying to get some caldo. Woo! It's hot the house. This is really good.
Para mí,
oh my god.
Para mí se me hace como que le falta poquita sal todavía para mí.
¿Sí, no? ¿Le echamos más o no? No, ya, yeah. Just taste, you know? It really just depends. Like, it's always hard to get it, you know, to tea. Oh my god, ¿sí te gustó? A 1 a 10, ¿qué le das?
9.
¿Y por qué no 10?
Porque le falta poquita sal.
Okay guys, that basically completes this video. I hope you enjoyed my mom teaching me how to make albondigas. This is for sure the only recipe that I think I'm gonna do really quickly without having to look at my phone because it's so easy. Era tan fácil hacerlo. So this is the easiest. You know, más difícil es mole.
Para mí sí. Tamales.
Tamales. Oh, tamales. Oh. But this is so easy. We hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Oh, espero que les haya gustado. Es que hoy tengo mucho sueño, por eso no quiero decir nada.
If you guys, oh, she's walking away already. She's like, she wasn't lying. She's like, I'm out. We hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I am doing a mukbang right after this. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video because I'm gonna eat and I need to stop eating because I feel like I'm gonna explode. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you guys enjoyed my little meal because this looks really amazing. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.
She just came to say bye.